Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar dipped a slight 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices were flat as a stronger dollar countered support from lower Treasury yields, while investors awaited a slew of US economic data due later this week that could sway the Federal Reserve's interest rate hike stance. The pound fell in line with a decline in a number of European currencies, as nervousness around the outcome of the earnings season and the outlook for the global economy gave the dollar an edge. Bitcoin's third consecutive day of negative trading has aligned with technical indicators that suggest Bitcoin's price could rise again. Bitcoin's price has retraced 9% since breaching the psychologically important mark of $30,000 on April the 14th.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US non-defense capital goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's consumer price index at 0130 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.